Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to add follow button on Facebook account. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how to remove add friend button and add only follow button on your Facebook account. First of all, open your Facebook app and the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. Once you are in your Facebook app, just tap on your profile photo and here tap on settings. Once you are in your account settings and privacy page, scroll down, go to audience and visibility section. Under this section, just tap on how people find and contact you. And here you will find this option, who can send you friend request. Just tap on this drop down and here you have to select friends of friends. And that's it. Now go back to your Facebook profile. Make sure to reload and go to profile. And now tap on this three dot and tap on view as. And as you can see, the add friend button removed and follow button added. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.